Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Lodha Sterling, a project in Thane. It is not only a project but it is an ultra luxurious project of Lodha in Thane. So the special thing about this project is it's a London theme based project. Over here, if you come around and you can see there's a lot of things that you will relate to the London as a city, because over here there's a phone booth which is very iconic in London. Then there's a clubhouse which is named as the Crown Club, which also signifies somewhere around to the London theme. Then there are a lot of pools inside the project, which are certain are temperature control pools, kid pool, open pool. There are multiple pools inside the project. There's an amazing gym with all the modern equipments inside it, and really the view is amazing of that gym. You will really enjoy working out over there. Then there's an amazing lawn for your meditation. There are pebbles on which you can sit, you can meditate, you can do yoga and you can work out. Apart from that, the best part about this project is the private gardens that you get between the houses. So there's a lot of serene around it, the nature, the silence, everything is perfect. So talking about the towers, there are 6 mansions. As I said, everywhere you can see the London theme, so even in the name there it is. So 6 mansions, out of which we have given the possession of few mansions, and few are ready to move in, readily available for you. Just you can come and book your house and you can start living over here. There is a separate parking area just as soon as you enter inside the gate. On the right hand side there is a multi-speciality car parking. So around the towers there is no vehicle allowed. So it's a pollution free area. Trust me, when you are meditating it's very good for your health. And the best part is you have a configuration available over here is 2, 3 and 4 BHK, which are the luxurious sizes. As I've already mentioned, I would like to highlight again the services that you are getting, the hospitality that you are receiving as a resident of this beautiful project. The service is none other than Saint Aman services. Everything is taken care. In the clubhouse, the amenities that you have is there you have the ballroom, you have banquet, you have all the amenities right from the indoor to the outdoor amenities. Everything is very well taken care. So I am really sure you are excited to come here and have a visit for yourself. So for every details you can call on the given number. So I'm here to show you a 3 BHK, luxurious 3 BHK, for which the carpet area is 1041. So as we entered, this was the foyer area for complete privacy, and as we move forward you can see the entire living area is in L shape. So the carpet area for the living area is 350 square feet. So this is how big it is. Over here is your dedicated dining area, and on this side is your sit out area, your chilling area, and there's a full length window so you can completely enjoy the view for whichever you choose. So as we are done with the beautiful living area, we'll be moving towards the first bedroom of the house, which is 130 square feet carpet. It's a master bedroom. So as we move inside, on my left you can see there's a dedicated wardrobe area, on my right there's a bed area, also to which there's a parallel window. It's a beautiful window wherein you can sit and enjoy the view. Then as you move forward on this side, just next to the window, there's a pocket area for your workstation or the study area dedicatedly. So yes, so this is how it really looks like, and the flooring is completely marble flooring that you'll be getting. And this is how your view will be like if you're going for a beautiful private garden view or the garden view. You will be having this kind of a view. So now we'll go on the right hand side of mine. As we move forward, on my left is an amazing kitchen of 100 square feet carpet area, to which there's a dedicated fridge area, 1 serving platform and 1 cooking platform. Both the platforms are black marbles. There's a utility space for the washing machine area, which is very well covered with a grill, so for the safety. As we come out of the kitchen, on my right side is the common bath area. which has all the branded fittings. As you come out of the common bathroom area, as you move forward towards the side. So this is the second bedroom of the house, for which the carpet area is 120 square feet. This is how amazing it is, very beautiful. Over here again you can enjoy your view and let the sunlight come inside the house. On this side again, parallel to the window, is your wardrobe space. So even you can keep a big bed, there's a sufficient space. As we move out of this beautiful second bedroom, there's a very good space over here for your temple or for your puja room. I really liked it. It's very cute, well sufficient and properly optimized. Now this is the master bedroom. It's a giant one for which the carpet is 170 square feet. So as we move inside, on my parallel, there's a huge wardrobe space. And once you end with the wardrobe space, there's an attached bathroom, shower area. This is exactly how you will be getting it with the platforms, with the service slab. As you come out, there's a beautiful pocket area for your maybe your vanity, or maybe your just reading corner, or a workstation or study area, however you want to utilize it. It's a quite very big size bedroom, so that's the reason you can see the bed which we have placed here is a king size bed. Still there's a lot of space over here parallel to your TV wall mount wall. And this is how your window is going to look like. It's a big one over here, the window is big. This is how beautiful and silent your house is. So I hope you really like the tour of this ultra luxurious 3 BHK of Lodha Sterling, in which we also have some world-class amenities. One of the biggest hospitality service that we have is Saint Aman Services. In this, if you come and make this house your own, you can enjoy it too. So now we'll be going towards the 4 BHK, and I'm really excited to show you how amazing and great it is. Hi, so I'm here to show you a 4 BHK, an extra luxurious one, because the carpet size that I'm here to offer you is 2040. So it's very huge, well planned. I really like the layout. I'm very excited to show you as well. Please come in. So this is the foyer area, the entry which you can see. It's very private. Anybody coming into your house or any courier guy cannot see your entire room, which is the best part about it. So now I'll be moving towards the living area first. So as we move inside, it's a 480 square feet living area entirely, to which I can see on my this side is your dining area, which is of easily 8 to 9 seater. So there's a lot of space. We have kept it this way. You can keep it a big one if there's a lot of members inside the house. So as we move on this side, there's a huge sitting area that we have designed for the entire family members to sit and have a good family time, chill out and chit chat. So moving towards the favorite part of my house, which is 80 square feet balcony area or the deck area. It's a wooden floored deck, to which you can see there's a lot of sitting space that we have created, which gives you an understanding that even if you plan this way, there's a lot of area for you to sit, have a huge coffee table and have your family time or your own private time. So this is how well planned it is. You can even keep anything like a swing or something for you to sit and relax or read or anything. It's your private corner. So this is how you can enjoy the entire view. This is just the view of the sample flat. You can have your view as per your choice and preferences. Now moving ahead to the other side of the house. As we move out of the living area, to my right, you can see this is a hybrid space. You can use it as a study room or as a workstation or your work from home concept, which is quite very runny right now. So you can utilize this entire space as your workstation. And then as soon as you are completed or you are done with your work, you can just jump inside the kitchen, because this is how the entire kitchen space looks like, for which the carpet area is 180 square feet. along with the utility area. The utility area is quite very big in size. Even if you keep your washing machine over here, you can keep your clothes drying rack over here. There are two platforms, this and that side. So in the center, there's a lot of space. This is which will not be there inside your house. It's just that we have shown here. Even if you want, you can design it the similar way. So over here, there is again a utility area. That's a storage area basically, wherein you can store all the grains or all the ration घर का आप store कर सकते हो यहाँ पे basically. So as we come out of this beautiful kitchen and very amazing kitchen, I'll be showing you the bedrooms of the houses. Before that, there's an amazing space over here, which is a mandir space or a puja room space. Very well designed. A person can come inside, do the rituals and come out. It is well planned. So on my right is the first bedroom, which is a grand bedroom, for which the carpet was 190. For which the carpet area is 190 square feet. So as we move inside, there is a walk-in wardrobe area over here. Here is your entry door for the bedroom, and this is your shower area. The shower area is very big, and it's not more of a rectangular but slightly more of a squarish shape. So it's having a lot of space in the center that you can utilize while having a shower. So once you are done with your shower and your walk-in wardrobe space, you can enter this beautiful bedroom, wherein the bed size we have kept is a king size because it's a huge bedroom space that you can look for yourself. There's even when you have kept this utility storage area or the deck, there is still a lot of space in the center. That shows you there's a lot of space to move around. Over here is your full length wardrobe space. There is a four door wardrobe, and just next to it is your beautiful window, which brings a lot of light and positivity inside the house. On both the side, you can see there's a side table and there's a lot of space to walk around. I really like how well it has been designed and how spacious it is. Not even an inch of the square feet is wasted. So as I walk up out of this bedroom, this is the second bedroom of the house, which is your guest bedroom. So for the guest bedroom, the carpet area is 120 square feet. It's very good size. I mean, it's sad to call it as a guest bedroom because it's very big in size. There's a king bed which is already placed. Over here is a pocket area for your study or whatever you want to do. There's a window over here. Again, there is a huge space on that side and this side around the bed. So one thing I like for sure about this entire flat is there's a bedroom spaces or any space what has been provided is really big. So as you move out of this guest bedroom, you can see on this side, on the left hand side, there's a common bathroom. Just outside the guest bedroom. So it's very convenient for the members of the house who are staying as a guest or as an extra family member, they can utilize it very well. So on my right hand side, we are entering the kids bedroom, for which the carpet area is 140 square feet. So we have just showcased it this way. You can keep the bunk beds, you can keep the two separate single beds. It's just on you. Again, there's a similar kind of a window over here, and parallel to which is again a 4-door wardrobe. Even there are 2 kids staying inside this bedroom. There's a lot of space. So yes, they can stay quite very well. And just to it, there's an attached bathroom. The tiles are vibrant and colorful because obviously it's a kid's bedroom, so the look and feel is kept that way with all the branded fittings. So as I walk out of the kids bedroom, I'll be entering to the final bedroom of the house, which is the last bedroom, for which the carpet area of this bedroom is 260 square feet. Imagine 260 square feet is like a huge bedroom space. So as we come inside, there's a huge foyer area. There's a quite very long foyer area over here, and on the left hand side, there's a walk-in wardrobe. I really like this walk-in wardrobe because it has a huge, it has a lot of space for your dressing, for your shoes, for your purse to be kept here very well, just outside your bathroom area. And this bathroom is my favorite because it has a bathtub in it. which is very fancy, and there is a dedicated shower area as well, covered with the glass space. So this is my favorite bedroom of the house. Let me know which one is yours. As we come out of this amazing walk-in wardrobe and a bathroom, this is your grand bedroom. It's really grand. On that side is the armchair which is kept. You can keep a recliner or whatever you want. Then there's a huge bed over here and amazing space. Then there is a balcony and there is a lot of space all around this bedroom. So the balcony space is 50 square feet over here. So 50 square feet balcony is really amazing for a bedroom. So 260 square feet is your just the internal bedroom space and 50 square feet is your added balcony space. So altogetherly it's quite a big bedroom size and it's amazing because I would really enjoy to live in this kind of a bedroom space which has so much of space, right from my personal belongings, my space, my relaxing area in the bathtub, and then I can sit down over here once I'm back from work and enjoy my personal time. So I hope you liked it too. So for the details of the pricing or the carpet area or the floor plan, you can call on the given number or go on the description link and get all the details on your WhatsApp. So for more such video, keep following us, keep subscribing us. First Ghar, the only place where you can find the latest videos, and hit on the like button if you really liked it and click on the bell button for the latest notification. Thank you so much.